Hello everyone, today we've got here Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, and let me show you how to boot developer options on this device. First of all, enroll the settings. Then from main settings list, so from this panel, select about phone. Here you have to enter device identifiers and locate build number. Now tap on it 7 times, then provide your PIN code, password, pattern, whatever you use, mark next, and as you can see, developer options are available right now. So let's go back and now enter system right here. Developer options appeared right under reset options and you can smoothly use them. So basically that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.